Hi, what I'd like to do in this video is just provide some general frameworks and definitions so that we can put the activities that we're going to be engaging in some kind of context. And so what we're doing is working on the instructional goals for this year, but our main project is to align these goals ultimately to our strategic plan so that we can start planning better and allocate resources to the things that we decide to do. So let's start with some definitions. When we talk about a goal, we're really talking about a general guideline or direction, something that we want to achieve as an organization. And so what we've decided to do this year is basically align our goals very specifically to the draft strategic plan so that once it's finalized, it'll be very easy for us to take our plan and align it with the strategic plan. A strategy is a way to achieve that goal. So a goal might be a general outcome that we want. Let's say that my goal is to be more healthy. A strategy might be to exercise. So again, it's more specific, but it's designed to promote the goal. And then an activity is a specific action that will be taken. So if my strategy is to exercise, one activity that I might do is start running. And so maybe I break it down and say, week one, I'll try to run a mile, and every week after that, I'll try to up it by a quarter mile until I'm consistently running 5 miles, 3 miles a week, or something like that. So you can see the activity is more specific and definitely more measurable. When we talk about the plans, the institution, of course, has a lot of plans. And the strategic plan is our general plan for the entire institution. And you'll see that there are a number of plans then that would be aligned with the strategic plan. The enrollment management plan, the student success plan, the inclusive excellence plan. And from those, the strategic plan, we would also have an instructional plan that would work in harmony with those plans to further the goals of the institution. And then from that instructional plan, your unit plans, which would include your iLearn projects, would be aligned with the instructional plan. And then individual plans would ultimately be aligned with your unit plan, the instructional plan. And so it basically gives everybody a guideline for what to plan for their goals for the upcoming year. And ideally, everything should be aligned from the strategic plan down to the individual plan. And you'll see the strategic plan has to do more with goals and perhaps some strategies. The instructional plan will deal with strategies and some activities. And then ultimately, unit plans and individual plans will get more specific, where we'll be engaging in activities related to making those strategies serve the goals. And finally, here are the areas that we're going to be looking at for our instructional goals. And these are the areas that are defined by the draft strategic plan. So we have student engagement, we have equity and inclusion, community partnerships, and institutional effectiveness. And as we develop this plan, based on our discussions in the next week, we can write these goals more specifically, again, aligning them with the strategic plan and also with the strategies that we'll be engaging in. All right, I hope this helps you understand the context behind the activities that we'll be engaging in the next couple of days.